Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use ginseng tea. We'll explore the different forms of ginseng suitable for brewing, from dried slices to powdered extracts. You'll learn about the traditional benefits associated with this ancient root and how it can be incorporated into your daily routine. Get ready to discover the simple steps to prepare a soothing and invigorating cup of ginseng tea right in your own home. To brew your ginseng tea, start with about 1 to 3 grams of dried ginseng root per cup. You can use slices or a small piece of the whole root. Heat fresh water to between 180 and 200 degrees Fahrenheit, just below boiling. Pour the hot water over the ginseng and let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. For a stronger brew, you can steep it longer or even re-steep the same root pieces. For general wellness, a common daily dosage is between 0.5 and 3 grams of dried ginseng root. It's often recommended to enjoy 1 to 2 cups of ginseng tea per day, ideally in the morning or early afternoon, to avoid potential sleep disruption. Listen to your body and consider taking short breaks from consumption after a few weeks to maximize its benefits. While generally safe, some people might experience mild side effects such as insomnia, headaches, or digestive upset. It's crucial to avoid ginseng tea if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have conditions like high blood pressure or autoimmune diseases. Always consult your doctor before incorporating ginseng tea into your routine, especially if you are currently taking any medications, to ensure it's safe for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.